back inside our small contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. Now, today we're going to be starting a new module as opposed to the one that we started yesterday, which was the local Python development. That module was just more or less more putting together the actual files that we're going to be running. It was more introduction and more of setting up the environments, like I said, which I don't want to go through because it may be different for you. So we're just going to bypass that and jump right into the contract building. We're going to start this new module called the Web3Py. So we're going to dive right in with the first module on that one. And this is a new section of the course that we'll be starting. This section will focus on the Web3Py and its favorites. In this section, we'll be writing code and getting more familiar with the Web3Py favorites. We'll also be deploying the favorites.py file that we put together in our previous modules to a blockchain using raw Python. We'll also be writing our own Python key encryptor, and we're going to encrypt the key ourselves in Python. We'll then write a script called deploy favorites, where we're going to use the encrypted private key to actually deploy our small contract in Python. And in doing so, we will learn a lot about the transaction and what it looks like, how to build a transaction, and what a transaction is even comprised of. We will also see what it's like to sign a transaction in code. And basically, we'll be going under the hood to see how all of the buttons work that we push when deploying the small contracts in the Remix IDE using more advanced Python tooling. So you remember when we were using the Remix IDE and we hit all the buttons to deploy, send transaction, to get a transaction amount and stuff like that. We're actually going to see what's going on under the hood when we push those buttons. We're going to do that right here in our VS Code. Let me get you a look at the file that we're going to actually be working with. Now this one here should be over here. And this is going to be everything that we're going to be going over step by step. All the files already put together, all the contracts that we put together, all the information that went into it. So you have our main.py, which is this one, our favorites.py, our encrypted key that we built, how we deployed the contract, the version of Python we use, our project TAML, our UV lock, and so on and so forth. So this is the entire project for this particular section that we're going to be going over piece by piece, and we're going to start that tomorrow, so look out for that. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, it's the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.